Hey guys, do you like bath bombs or even shower bombs? Today you're in for a treat because we're going to show you just how easy it is to make bath bombs using our new DIY kit. First, you start by breaking up all of the powders and mixing them well. Then pour in your oil and do the exact same thing, making sure that all of the powders get coated fully in oil. Then pour in your mica dye and use your hands, a whisk, or a fork to make sure you mix in the color well. Now comes the tricky part. We're going to use water as our binding agent, but we have to make sure that we don't overuse water because we don't want our powders to prematurely react. So we're going to spritz in water little by little, making sure we get the right consistency. Not too wet. It should feel like wet sand, but not mud. You can even try the squeeze and drop test to make sure the powder holds together. I decided to use these lavender buds. You can add your botanicals directly into your powder or line the bottom of your molds. Then press your powder in, making sure that you fill all of the voids. Keep adding powder to the top of your mold and pressing down. Then add your top. Let your bath bomb set overnight or at least 8 to 12 hours. When it's time to release your bath bomb, sometimes it can be a bit tricky. Use something metal like a spoon to gently tap your mold, and the bath bomb should pop right out. That's it.